Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bep20 on Trust Wallet. First, understand that Bep20 tokens are built on the Binance Smart Chain, requiring BNB for transaction fees. Trust Wallet provides a secure and user-friendly platform for managing these assets. It's essential to have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to ensure smooth transactions, whether you're sending, receiving, or swapping tokens. This setup makes managing your digital assets straightforward and efficient. To receive Bep20 tokens, simply open your Trust Wallet and navigate to the specific token you wish to receive. Tap the Receive button and your unique wallet address will be displayed. You can easily copy this address or share the QR code with the sender. Always double-check that the address matches the correct token to avoid any loss of funds. It's a quick and secure process. When sending Bep20 tokens, begin by selecting the token from your wallet's main screen. Then, tap Send and carefully paste the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. It's crucial to verify the address to prevent errors. Enter the exact amount you wish to send, review all transaction details, including the small BNB fee, and confirm. Your tokens will then be on their way. To swap Bep20 tokens, utilize Trust Wallet's integrated D-app browser to access a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap. Once on the exchange, connect your Trust Wallet securely. Select the tokens you wish to swap from N2, enter the desired amount, and review the exchange rate and fees. Confirm the transaction, and your tokens will be swapped efficiently. This feature offers great flexibility for managing your crypto portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.